So who are you and what's your role?
Bruce Barton, Group General Manager, Short Haul Airlines, Air New Zealand.
So what does the Life Flight Trust mean to you in New Zealand?
It's a fantastic charity, and it's one that you just hope you'll never have to use. But they're an amazing bunch of guys, and just to be able to be part of this tonight and help them out, it's an absolute privilege for us.
So it's an incredibly local New Zealand-based service, the Life Flight Trust. It's actually helping Kiwis, yeah?
Yeah, it's one of the ones, if you ever have to use it, it'll be the last thing you ever want, but God, they do an amazing job. They're just tireless.
So everybody knows about the chopper, but no one seems to know about the plane. So you guys being in New Zealand, did you know about the plane for a long time?
Yeah, we've been working with David Irvine, the CEO, for a while. Just looking at the fixed-wing aircraft and what we can do behind the scenes to help. And hopefully we can do some other things. But yeah, tonight's all about the trust, raising some money. Hopefully people will dig deep and sending off the guys overseas.
So what are our chances in this World Cup? What are we going to get out of it?
Oh, we've got sensational chances. These guys are going to win. You've got to have faith. These guys, we followed them all. We never thought they were going to do very well at all, and we've followed them through the ups and downs of the World Cup campaign. So you've got to have confidence going there.
So all of them will be sitting in business class, right? They won't be enjoying a sky couch quite yet?
Not yet, but they'll be wishing they did.
Awesome. Thanks a lot for your time.
No problems.
Great. Thanks, Cole.